With the assistance of the calibration block when decoding and cutting Medeco key, then visually check bitting orientation. Click Standard. Medeco M4 to enter the key data page. With the assistance of the calibration block, fix the original key by shoulder alignment on the jaw, shown in the figure. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings. Select Dimple Decoder. Then click Decode to start decoding. After decoding is done, click Input, Tooth Angle. The bitting number is DBBDDB. D, blue, corresponding to AFT. B, red, corresponding to 4. Manually enter the bitting number in accordance with the bitting orientation of the original key. First, bitting position 1, original key, middle, blue, corresponding to D in AFT. Enter D for this position. Bitting position 2, original key, middle, red, corresponding to B in 4. Enter B for this position. Bitting position 3, original key, right, red, corresponding to K in 4. Enter K for this position. Bitting position 4, original key, middle, blue, corresponding to D in AFT. Enter D for this position. Bitting position 5, original key, left, blue, corresponding to S in AFT. Enter S for this position. Bitting position 6, original key, middle, red, corresponding to B in 4. Enter B for this position. The actual bitting number is DBKDSB. With the assistance of the calibration block, fix the key blank by shoulder alignment on the jaw, shown in the figure. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings. Choose Medeco Cutter. Then click Cut to start cutting. All cutting is done, please clean the shavings and test. The new key works well.